ready.
It is New Year's Eve, December 31st, 2025. This is Little Red Wagon Stand-Up. You want to start us off one?
Yes, it's Lauren on a Gulf island in the Strait of Georgia or Salish Sea. And past week, again, I'm stuck just trying to set up a reminder for the meeting. Um, I haven't been able to troubleshoot why we can't get the scheduled, get the reminders from the uh, Google Calendar. So I looked into Proton Mail, and we'll talk and cross-talk about that option. And coming week, I'm going to do stuff. Well, I hope to finish a solution for sending out the meeting reminders and get back to soldering or containers or software or whatever, robot operating system. And blocks are kind of Google being, I don't know if it's Google or what, but definitely on a whole lot of accounts, I've had heard about things like I told you that earlier that our Linux meeting with the guy who's a network person and he handles Google and Windows for the whole island. And he sent it out and it didn't go to everybody because of some new rules about group emails. So I'm suspicious on that. So that's it for me.
Okay, it's Michael Wolchuk, Saskatoon, Canada. Not a whole lot to report for this week. I did find a couple of Raspberry Pi related things on Facebook Marketplace, but I haven't been in town to go and see if I can pick them up. Um, and next week I will have a little bit of time, I hope. Um, Hope maybe Tuesday to do a little bit of stuff on Docker, but we'll see. Um, Blocks are driving all over the place for Christmas and in general life. Got
Right.
boiler problems and heating problems and plumbing problems. It's all good stuff. Anyway, back to you.
Okay, so I'll give myself a 6 and the team 7 and
Okay.
no process improvement at the moment.
I'm going to give myself a 2, and I'll agree with 7 for the team and no process improvement. Do you want to talk about Proton Mail on or off?
Um, you know what? I kind of want to work on it, and so let's go off.
Okay, 1 second.